The USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss, and I got the #1 website on the market for you to cash in and cash out in cash money for Bitcoin. It's called bitquick.co. There's a link in the description, and it's in the #1 comment on this video. You go to their website, you're going to see this right here. You click on buy, and you tell them how much money you want to spend, and it will automatically convert that amount into Bitcoin. Once you have that amount ready, you let them know how you want to pay for it. You can either do a cash deposit or money transfer. I do cash deposits through a major bank right here in the USA. You pick what bank you want. Personally, I use Bank of America because they have so many locations, and it's quite convenient to my house. The big thing to note here is you only have 3 hours to get that cash money into the bank account that they send you. They're going to send you someone else's bank account at Bank of America, who's a member of Bank of America, and you will put your information into the system so that once you deposit the money into their account, they send you the Bitcoin. So this is how it works. You put your state, your email address. They will verify any phone number you give them with a simple 6-digit text message, and you also put your Bitcoin address. Notice that there is a 2% fee. This morning when I sent $500, they charged me $10 to send it, but that's not bad at all in crypto land. So you click on next right there after it's confirmed, and they'll send you an email. And notice this is cash only, you guys. Don't go online and try to transfer it into the person's account because it won't work. You need to go into a bank with cash money. In the email that they send you, they'll put their name, they'll put a 12-digit account number, they'll put that holder's state. That's all you need. And they will also confirm your Bitcoin address where the money will be sent. Biggest thing to note here is that you will need to receive the upload link and send them the receipt of the transfer. This is what that looks like. When you go to Bank of America, you fill in, copy and paste the information from that email, verify the account number, and all you do is you take a picture of the deposit receipt after you send it. You type in that little no refunds for BitQuick on Bitcoin, boom, upload it into that email right there using that link. And congratulations, baby. You are now a part of the money team. This is the boss with another breakthrough website for you guys. I hope it helps, and I hope you will be profitable and prosperous in the market. Let's go.
Like a boss.
That's right, everyone. Live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Today is September 7th, and I got another mover for you guys that's ready to break out in the market. We are looking to buy Voxos, and you are looking to buy it quick. It's on the ground floor, and it's about to break out. This is your first time tuning in. Congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. My name is BK. My friends know me as a crypto trader, and I am the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day I'm fortunate enough to grace this microphone with my voice is a day that somebody else is fortunate enough to profit as a result. And today is no exception. With that being said, I'm going to jump out into our chat and pick somebody at random. Everybody has been jumping on, throwing comments out there. I forgot to give a question of the day. So let's just do this. Let's say how much money will the price of Bitcoin be 1 week from today? So the price of Bitcoin 1 week for today, I am going to show you our Facebook community, and then we're going to come back and pick a winner. So if you're in the chat right now, you got about 30 seconds. What's the price of Bitcoin going to be in 7 days? We go come back and pick a winner. Again, if this is your first time tuning in, I give away cash money on the air 7 days a week. And one of the ways I do that is right here in our Facebook group. It's called the #1 Bitcoin group in the world. Bam! There we go. Right? And so as you can see on this group, we have 10,000 of my best friends coming together 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to make you money. They made me a lot of money, and I in turn try to make them a lot of money. So that's why we're here. You know, it's an amazing, amazing community. A lot of very talented charters and crypto traders. You know, and I give you guys little hints on what is yet to come. So this was a chart that I picked today. You know, this is Voxos chart on a 343-minute chart, and you can see this thing is consolidating on the ground floor, and we are about to buy some prime time real estate. So with that being said, let's go ahead, jump out of here, and let's go to our chat and pick our winner. So the question of the day: how much will Bitcoin be in 1 week? Today, what's the price of BTC? Today, Bitcoin is about what, 4,100, something like that, somewhere in there. We're still above 4,000. So let's see. Who do we got? Bam! Let's go with my man Jonathan Carpenter real quick, who said 5,140. What I did is I read pick me, and then I just saw the next person that actually put a number. So I'll give you a hint. If you put pick me, I'm not going to actually pick you. So congratulations, my man Jonathan Carpenter. This is all I'm doing right here. I'm saying Bitcoin winner of the day. Go ahead, like that comment, message me your wallet, Big John, and I'll send you a couple bucks in BTC as a token of my appreciation. Thank you for being a member of this community. Thank you so much for getting involved. Let's get to the money. So here we go, baby. We are looking at Voxels, and I showed you the chart before. That's it right there on a 343-minute chart on tradingview.com. Let's go over to this guy. Bam! There you go. You can look at this thing right here and see basically that we are setting up like it's really, you know, a pretty beautiful breakout and then breakdown, right? So even if we go peak to peak just like that, up, 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 right? And even these dotted lines show the breakdowns. With this dotted line right here, how did I get that line? Well, in order to get that line, I just did the top of the moving average from this intersection, it looks like, right there. Where did that come from? Was that in the past? Came from somewhere. Oh, that's a 1 day. I never use 1 days. I was on the wrong candle. I was like, why don't that make sense? That's a big thing, you guys. Make sure you're always on the right candle. I had a couple videos early on where I was looking at the wrong candle and I completely messed a chart up. That was my Dash is Cash video. I was looking at, you know, the wrong candle said Dash is trash, and sure enough, it broke out about a week later because I look, you know, foolish enough not to look at the right candle. So here we go. 343-minute chart. Bam, bam, right? Breakdown to breakdown. Green line to green line. You can cut the candle off. Just look at the 7 and the 77, and that's going to tell you most of all the information you need to know to make money. For my trend line, the two intersections I picked are right there and right there. Copy and paste it, throw it up top to that moment in time, throw it down low, to that moment in time. And on both sides, we get confirmation right there that it still holds. And pretty sure we get something all the way back here too. Let's see. There you go. And that top line, we got confirmation all the way back there. That top line was solid. Right? So when you got a good trend line, it doesn't matter where it confirms at. As long as it confirms, it will tell you when it's ready to make some money and make some moves. And so with that being said, one other thing we could do real quick is freestyle on a Fibonacci. So let's bring that out right now. We go do breakout to break down. And you can see we spent a lot of time in that money zone. And right now we're basically consolidating on the ground floor. If we walk this thing down to break down, to break out, look at that. And let's just do the bottom of the green to the top of the green right there, and that will more or less give us the range that we're looking for. I normally like sticking it right there though. Breakout to break down, right? So essentially this is a pretty good consolidation to be in, and that's it right there actually. Right? So that might have been a bit confusing. This is how we do the freestyle on a Fibonacci. Let's go from this point right here all the way up the chart. The original trend line that we were looking at, breakout to break down. And you can see that basically we are consolidating at the 236. What we're going to need to do is we are going to need to break out of that area. We're going to have some downward pressure on us at first, but once we do get out of there, we're shooting up into that money zone, and that's where we spent a lot of time in the past, right? We spent a lot of time in that money zone trying to figure out what was going on. But the minute we're able to break out of that money zone, probably do something like that, come back down to the blue, and we are off to the races to high five that orange line right there. One of the ways I know that we're due for that money zone is if you look at this chart, this trend line, you throw it up top to that top green. That basically gives you this moment in time at the top of our money zone, which is very fortuitous because it shows you that that's just how the energy in the charts lines up. And it gives you this time as well, which means that we should be crossing. And look at that. I'm trying to tell you, I'm a boss at freestyling on a Fibonacci. We should be crossing into that money zone no later than 1, 2. Right? So there you go, guys. This thing should be getting in there, right around there. Buy it now. Buy it while it's cheap. It's set up to break out. As long as this market is strong, Voxos will be outperforming Bitcoin pretty consistently. And that is how you chart like a boss. Oh! Hey, do me a favor real quick. I wanted to make this thing clean, quick, and to the point. So if you are in the chat right now, shout your country out. We're going to come back to you guys in about 30 seconds. So if you're in the chat right now, I'm going to get you guys queued up. Shout your country out. I know we got Miss Danielle holding down the south side of Brazil, but let's see who else is going to check in on our global check-in coming up. So this is how we buy Voxels. Now that we see that this thing is a solid pick, now we want to buy it. So again, this is Bittrex. All we do is type in VOX up top, You can see I don't even got it yet, but I'm buying it right now. So we click VOX. Oh boy. Dang. This thing done jumped. We click on bid, right? Click on max. Actually, no, I want to buy 0.01 BTC. Always 0.01. Buy Voxos. Are you sure? Yes. Give me 42 Voxos. Bam! That's how you do it, man. It's just that easy, you know? It don't have to be overly complicated. It don't have to be no long, drawn-out process. Once the chart shows us that it's time to make money, and on this one, it is time to make some money. It literally can't go much lower, you know, and even if it does, say it does break down there, which I doubt it, but it's possible. That means we got to start delivering some pizzas and working at Domino's because we need some more fiat to dump in at the bottom. Because now we got half off, you know? Like this thing is guaranteed just about. I'm trying to tell you the energy in the chart. This thing is guaranteed, you know, even if it go down there, it would be guaranteed to break out by November. That's not that bad. That's not that bad of a trade. So there you go, guys. That's it's a very strong chart. Voxos is solid. So if you've been following us day to day, day 1, Bitcoin Cash, day 2, Pivx, day 3, Golem, day 4, Mysterium, and day 5, Voxos. That's a solid list, you guys. That's a lot of starter coins. You got a couple power players in there, you know, and we are setting our portfolio up pretty nice for the long term. This is how you do it. We haven't even sold anything yet because a lot of the coins are just now starting to make some money. So we gonna be sitting on them for a couple weeks, riding that wave. And the minute it start to fall off, pull that money off, put it on something else, and you go see exactly how we flip it when that start happening. So if you find this content useful, again, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I come on this channel 7 days a week to try to get you paid. So let's jump into the chat and see who we got rocking out with us right now. Do me a favor. Do not troll my channel, or you will get blocked and called out live on the air. Miss Sasha Rain. Don't do it. Don't do it. So let's go, guys. We got New Zealand, London, Canada, Mile High City, Salute, Egypt, Morocco, USA, England, down under Australia, Belgium, Germany, 1 time, Thailand, Australia, 2 times back to back, Sacktown, Quebec, India, Philippines, New Zealand, 2 times, Washington Heights, Decatur. Shout out to the Dirty South, Scotland, UK, Texas, and Canada. Eastern Europe, Romania is bringing us home, you know, and that's it, you guys. It's pretty late tonight. I just wanted to jump on, give you guys, you know, a quick breakout trade to make some money. If you appreciate this content, make sure you like, subscribe, turn your notifications on. Come back with me tomorrow. I'm going to have another banger for you. If you appreciate that content, guys, you go love what we got in the future. This is a growing community, 10,000 people, Facebook and YouTube, 100 nations, all come together to make money. That's how it's got to be. That's what's going to empower our people. That's what I'm here to do. So with that being said, guys, it's that time of the day signing out. The boss, your boy BK, no matter where you stay, from Brazil to the Bay and California. Good night, good morning, and good day. I truly do appreciate your time. Just subscribe and share this video if you appreciate mine. With that being said, I wanted to jump into our website just to show you the community and the different products we got to help you be profitable. All you do on your computer or on your cell phone is you go to bossofbitcoin.com. I know we got a lot of first-time traders. I was about to jump off the air without helping y'all get some money. I apologize about that. You go to Boss of Bitcoin right now. You go see that guy on the right-hand side, suited and booted, looking like the American dream, wearing that red, white, and blue, so proud. You know what I'm saying? They said somebody got to be the boss, and I think he do it pretty well. So let's click on shop on bossofbitcoin.com. We got 3 products for you. The first one is the profit package. And again, I say this is the list of the movers, the shakers, and the money makers. $100 million plus. These coins have broken out, will break out again, and are essentially the ones controlling the market. When one gets cold, another gets hot. And right now, since August 15th, 3 of them are north of triple digits. $25, you can have that list. It is very, very solid and getting you to the next level. If you're just getting started, the Dream Team is one that I really like right now. It's a reminder of J. Cole's song. They talk about it just started with $1 and a dream. You know, and this is the next generation, 2.0, 3.0, a lot of coins people haven't even heard of that you can literally buy for $1 and $2 right now. You throw them on top of the profit package, and you got an arsenal that will be making money for many years to come. And the last thing we got, you guys, is a one-on-one meeting with the boy BK. $25 will open up my calendar to you. The rest of the details are in the description. So once you pay that $25, you will get a link to my direct calendar. Say you wanted to do something. I think this weekend is probably sold out, but yeah, Monday afternoon, once the kids get back from school, 5 p.m., bam! Click that button. You are now one-on-one set up with the boss to make you some money. So like I said, you guys, that's what I try to do 7 days a week is talk to people around the world and help people make money, help people stay empowered, help people get out of debt, help people pay off their home, help people pay off their car, help people put money away for college, help people, you know, not have to work 30 years, 40 hours a week, you know, for a 401k grossing 8% a year. Let me tell you something. I make that in my sleep. No joke. 8% a year. Those scam artists on Wall Street want to tell you 8% a year is pretty good. The boss said it ain't that good no more. Boss said we can get 8% by tomorrow. That's right. We get 8,000% this year by swing trading using the boss method. That's coming in another video. I gotta go, guys. Don't get me started. It's too late. Get my blood pressure up. That being said, it's that time of the day, you guys. Signing out, your boy BK, no matter where you stay, Brazil to Bay, California. Good night, good morning, and good day. Subscribe, share this video. Let's empower each other. Let's love each other. Let's profit together. And let's prosper together. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.